Hey guy, what's up? How you doing? Today is day 30, coding every single day until I achieve my goal, become a web developer. Today, I already study around 2 minutes, 2 hours. Yeah, I focus on, review what I did and also write it down my paper on my book. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, let's put some music on and study. Uh, Maybe I'm gonna wear this ooh, to protect my neck. Uh, Mm. I just go to swim. Pretty tired to swim, but guess what? Do not quit. I'm going to check my TikTok channel first. Hey guys, we have 16 followers after a month, you know what? My channel have a bit progress. Because I can see that um 16 follower and 600 likes. It's pretty good for the first step. I didn't expect um to like I just did like this for myself, it's make me work more productive because I have to form this. Like right now, like you can see, I also put the phone right here to form the screen, and like I gotta cut that long video into a short video and do some edit on the CapCut, and yeah, and this the products. Like I say, I can't put music on because maybe it's not legal on stream. Whatever, I'm gonna drink some water. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go. Okay, whatever. Don't like when you do like this, you feel like you have something on the internet, like it's your house. Yeah, it's kind of fun to build something like this every single day. I have video to part because I study every single day. Yeah, okay, we're going to shut this down and continue our study. Hmm. First and first, let's hear some music. Damn, you know, like, I didn't lock when I'm alone. Some give limits is gonna help us more calm down and enjoy the work. Sometimes you need to break in, bro, to actually feel alive because you too much focus on. Sometimes you should watch something like this, bro. It's a little bit good, but you know what? It's gonna feel your soul. Okay, yesterday we already did it. Hmm. Let me check current status update. We already have a commit, but we didn't commit yet. Like, okay, whatever. In today, oh, today, what's that? We're going to do let's update item quantity. Let's guess what in the bottom right here. What is oh damn, the main reason is create a new buttons. When you click on that, we're going to change the so that's why it's called dead item party. Mm-hmm. Okay, I see. We're gonna have two button. The first is minus, the second is plus. Inside car item, we're going to put the update item quality right here. Oh my God. Ah, I can't even breathe. I, okay, so we just watch this and we're gonna do it first and then make sure we're in here. Well, first of all, we're going to use cost this to reduce the function. We're already done with add item and delete item. Also clear car. Right now is this one. What we want to do is mm. Oh my God, my bike. Oh my God. Mm. Damn, I just it's pretty full. Maybe that reason why. Hmm. Overall car. By the ID for what? Actually, uh, well, I love. Oh my God, it's a little bit confusing. Sure about it. 5 seconds, that one, and increase, that's one quantity. Okay, okay. 5 is that pizza by ID, right? Hmm. This music is pretty like make me kind of sleepy, like I need some music that's gonna help me work more productive. Yeah, maybe this a little bit mysterious. Okay, I'll tell you quite exactly. That means by ID. I said the pilot is the bizarre. Uh, so it is actually equal total price equal items the quantities minus one increase minus one. I think it should be like this. No total price. Then quantity beauty unit price. For example, unit price right now is 16, right? So we have quantity is choose. Choose is okay, okay. So we're gonna have for example, we have two quantities and we have unit price around 10 for that pizza. That means 10 is 2 is 10 is 20. The total price. You know what I mean, right? And it's the same with uh the function decrease below. Yeah, 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 yeah. Minus five exactly that's and minuses. And maybe gonna the total price should be because right now when you click on this decrease, it should be minus increase, decrease, right? Increase, decrease. I'm not sure about this, but why do we still? Okay, so right now we're going to create a new components right here. We want to use this in this one. Okay, so we're gonna do it by ourselves. Hmm. Update item quality. We're gonna return to two button right here. Um, it should be div include two button. Wait a minute. Button. Okay, it's out. Ultimate update for us. That's cool. Um, it should be something by oh, like this. Is it? And like this. We're going to start for it for a little bit. Past name. Mm, past name. Less. Uh, items centers justify contain center. Justify center. So the two button right here we want to put this in some menu item. Where's menu item? Not menu item, car item. Yeah, car item. We want to put this right here. Um, update item quality, right? Up, okay, it's good. Button right here. And then it's not up here right here. I'm not sure the reason why, but maybe I'm gonna three times to something like this. Hello. Okay, it's right here, but that's why I don't see. Let's check the button. Okay, we're going to see the button. Hmm, primaries. Why we don't see the button? What happened? Okay, in the normal case, we don't have anything, so that's why. Okay, you know, like you guys say that we don't have the normal case, we just have the condition. If this appear this appear this, that's why we need default return. So let me show you guys say the default okay is appear right now. We're gonna delete this on click. Okay, damn. Maybe we're gonna check about the true button, right? We're going to add the function in somewhere. It's right here. Yeah, right here. We're going to add a function right here. Don't think too much, just did it. It's wrong. We're going to fix this. We're going to have a new kind of style, you know. This is for row. I mean, I'm not sure. Um, but let's say thing. Okay, we go into the tech break, you know. It's very dangerous. You focus your neck behind. I'll see you guys in the next 5 minutes. Yeah. When nhìn lại mình mới ghê. You know, like I just hear my neighborhood talk about the technologies. He's around he's around 50 almost 50 years old. Yeah, those people like they like I'm not usually search on the internet too much, so I don't know too much about the function about my phone. Like yeah, I know how it feel a lot. Although like they don't think that they can understand this kind of thing, so they usually uh yeah they just don't care about it. But you know that's the today word. Okay, whatever. Let's focus on the work. And you know, like there's something that is so fucking cool. You can see that a lot of people don't know how to use a computer. And yeah, look at us. Look at us. What is this? What the hell is this? A lot of people don't even know how this lights work. But this light, okay, I know how it's work. A lot of people see this screen gonna yelling, "Oh, what the hell is this?" You know, it's make me so fucking happy because this like a game, the mind game. You know, it's like you play chess, and it's pretty fun to me. I would do this for even don't have a jobs. But still, I do it because you know, like it's just my hobbies. When I was young, maybe I tell you guys this story. When I was student in high school, in a primary school, I just want to become a hacker. You know, a lot of things. Yeah, it's it's just crazy. Are we going to put the famous right here? Okay, so we're going to see the code more easy. Okay, damn. Okay. So, what we're going to do is do it by ourselves. We're going to return this button, right? Let's take a look. If we do like this, like a name like this, guess what? Fiber scores. Um, we need blue now. Yeah. What we want to do right now is delete this hello. And button is pretty ugly. Like I say, what we want to do with this is you gonna put an F first. Hmm, damn. The button is pretty big. I want it small. Right now it's default for primary. Deep right here. Okay. Okay, it's pretty ugly, but you know, like we're going to use this name as a variant, right? Variant right here. We use this in this button. You're going to see that's variant and this name. Damn. Something is not good. Are we going to check it again about this? What we want to do is make it smaller, you know. Maybe maybe it's because of cadence. Oh my God, damn. Small. We want to check. My gosh. We also create a test bus. We're gonna apply this variant for two button. Okay, the test should be a little bit bigger. Why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. The test should a little bit bigger, like this. Mm-hmm. And the problem is, we need to make it smaller. The button is pretty big. What we want to do is maybe it's like this, this. Damn, why it's not work? Oh, okay, it just work. Damn. So right now we want it, just a little bit smaller, or like this. And the default. Damn, what the hell? Okay, maybe like this is pretty good, but it's a little bit small, like what we're going to do is plus for this item is sender and justify content sender. Why we don't have our there's something wrong. Okay, damn. Okay, we're going to check. Okay, when active a scale. Damn. Okay, like this first. I'm not sure about this. Okay. The style is not important, so you can it's a little bit ugly, but you know what? It's not a big deal. Damn. What we go into though is when we click on this button, what's gonna happen is on click. Damn. So we have to have another function. We do like that. It's pretty hard. the function is different, so maybe we have to do is okay. We're gonna do that no matter what. Okay, it's on click right now. Uh, we're going to put not on click on increase. Yeah, on decrease the decrease, right? Is that true? On decrease, right here is hmm, it's a it's a function of this the decrease. We go into imported from car slice, import this reducer function from name update, right? Update or should we decrease out of cost like inside car cost like. Okay, we're going to use this right here, and this right here gonna be increase. Thank you. So right now it's not on decrease. Decrease what? Decrease quantity. Quantity. What? Decrease quantity. I gotta do that by myself. Even it's sometimes wrong, but guess what? I do this no matter what. Increase quantity is going to be yeah, this function right here. Okay, the button right here, we're going to import to users. On click for on add menu. Maybe it's on add menu. Add to car. On delete. On clear all. And on decrease. Decrease. Decrease what? Let me check. Decrease quantity. What? It's pretty damn. And on increase quantity. We're going to use this like right here. It's a little bit long. If if in this case on decrease, so we're gonna have this on decrease. On decrease, we already know that we import from this function, this decrease item function from the class line right here. So all of this things do we find exactly the bits are inside this car, this state, and then by ID right here. We're gonna put ID into it. Wherever we click on that, we want to put ID. So maybe we want to accept the ID or business ID right where we use let me check for a little bit update inside the car item right here, right? we want to take the visa ID right here to visa ID to, we want to take it to compare visa ID. What? Okay, so we want to this visa ID accept uses. Thì mà không. Where we want to use this, when we click on this button, we want to send. Damn, this just type. I don't know why it's called drought. It should be uh like button handle. Exactly what it is. Okay, so we're going to do the same things with another one. It's a little bit, on increase. Okay, we're done. So where we click on it, it's gonna realize what happened. Uh, let's check a little bit. Right now, the button is not work right because we didn't. Yeah, the visa defined, but it's not, but never use. We want to use this. Oh, right, that's right, bro. We want to use this place. Want to pass this as a parameter, and you're going to say that parameter is the action. Hmm, 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 hmm. I think that this is ID should right here. So right now we're going to say that name, the visa ID. This is the action dot payload, right? I think that's how I I think I think we should use this part. Yeah, I think we should use this part. Hmm. Yeah, bro. This should be the function handle decrease. So for a little bit cool, the function should be right here. Yeah. Function handle decrease. Okay. I don't have to optimize. I don't care. I just care about the work constant. So we're going to do this part. So this part to this part to the function. Yeah, 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 yeah. No. Oh, handle decrease, right? We're going to need use this part to send the action to the. Let me remember it. Uh, do this part to send action. Yeah, send action, bro. We want to send action. We want to import this from React Redux, maybe import this from React Redux, and it should be on this part. This form. We're going to use this right here. Where's this functions happen? When you click on that button, we're going to create we're going to have motherfucker is this function right here, okay? It's going to have this function. You know, like I get it decrease for easy understand, you know, like it's a little bit um quantity. We're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delete it. Yeah, right now just on decrease and on increase. We're gonna have another functions or handle increase. So right now there's no that function. Handle increase. We go into this past the this function that already import right here decrease and increase right here. What we want to pass right here is we want to send the pizza ID. Yeah. So in orders like we need pizza ID to compare with the ID of the of the state of the car, so you can find exactly that ID. So yeah, let's add more. Okay, so right now a little bit. eh, Okay, so now we have the pizza ID. Okay, the button is okay. And right now, let's see if it's work. Oh, it's worked now. Yeah, I do it by my own way, and it's work. But no, no, I'm not sure about this style right here. I just that it's not should be round name. Here's round. Why is Okay, we also want that in our menu item. Menu item. Menu item right here. Maybe we need it right here. Yeah, update. Like a little bit ugly. We just want it up here when, you know, so there is true. No, 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 no. All right, here's one. Okay, maybe we want to start. Hmm. We also need a children's at the middle right here to have children's theme. Okay, right now we don't want this one on menu item right here. We want is the exactly that's the ID. Sorry. Wait, quantity, right? In the menu items, quantity, name, Maybe we don't need it right here. Update quality. Maybe we also want the current quantity. How can we type the current quantity? Quantity is quantity. Okay, so we go to use this in not this place. Um, not this button, but is the public item quality right here. The one to use is accept uses current for TT. Want uses right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, June. Mm-hmm. I just that in the car item right here. There's something wrong. It's a quantity. How can we take the current quantity? How can we take the current quantity? Let me think. Uh, use letter. So we need to do something right here. Hmm. Get current. What do you want is to get current quantity, bro? Is called. Is the same right here. Star. 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 Dot. Okay, we want to take this one. Okay, okay, I see, I see. So if we want to take this one, it's pretty easy. We go into cars and car, yes. Like we go to take this quantity right here. Maybe it's another quantity. Okay, we are done. Get current quantity. So we want to do this in the car item. Car item. Let's check right here. Okay, it's already work. Car item. Oh, why still work right here? This car item. The battle item we don't see is work. Okay. We're going to use this and the manual item and the manual item right here. What we're going to use is um your selectorize current quality will be equal to use selector theme. Use selector. Uh use selector, and we're going to import our this. We already get the information get party right here. Okay. I'm just sure or not. Maybe let me ask Copilot first. Or if is this live card? It is live card. Okay. The last line is not correct. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's wrong. We just want to take this quantity. Current quantity, and we want to use this right here. Our button, we already done with this. Current quantity. Right now we want to use this in the menu items, especially this place. Mm, here. We need to import them. Select the from. Okay. Okay, okay, bros. Damn. We're gonna look outside a little bit. The problem is pretty hard to solve. So we're going to current quality, right? Okay, the ID right here, like I says that is the visa ID right here. We're going to compare that ID with the ID right here to check. I'm not sure what the hell is this. Wow. Artists that current quality right here, we're gonna use this as parameters. Uh, and we want to accept the uses in our components. Let's check in our components. We have quality. Okay, the same now. Something wrong with the menu item. Maybe I just ruined something. Let's check. Let's check. Our current damage. What hell is this? Yeah, because in the car item we pass current is this. Let's delete this. I don't know about this shit. Okay, we're going to delete this and do some rest. But guess what? We already have two buttons right here, and the middle we already have okay, it a little bit of it's not good in the menu item, but guess what? We're going to delete it. Hey, hey, hey. No, no, no. Why delete it? We're going to finish this later. Okay, you guys. Have you guys the night day? We're going to off the stream now. Um. Okay. Hello, guys. Goodbye, you guys. See you guys later. I think the problem is pretty fun. I'm pretty focused for the last 30 minutes. This kind of game. So we're going to stop the stream now. See you guys later. Tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow.